On a two-lane road, car A is traveling with a speed of 36 km per hour. Two cars B and C approach car A in opposite directions with a speed of 54 km per hour each. At a certain instant, when the distance AB is equal to AC, both being 1 km, B decides to overtake A before C does. What minimum acceleration of car B is required to avoid an accident? Now, initially they have given car A is traveling with a speed 36 km per hour. So velocity of A is equal to 36 km per hour. We will convert into meter per second. So that's why multiply with 5 by 18. So 18 1 ja, 18 2 ja is equal to 10 meter per second. This is the velocity of car A. And velocity of car B and car C both are same. So is equal to velocity of B and velocity of C equal to. So I'm talking about only magnitude. 54 kilometer per hour. So convert into meter per second. So into 5 by 18. 18 1 ja, 18 3 ja. So is equal to 15 meter per second. Now, so here this is car A. Assume it is traveling in this direction with a speed 10 meter per second. Now here he has mentioned one statement. B decides to overtake A before C. Now here two cars B and C approach car A. That means one car is here, another car is here. Now this car is going in this direction, this car is moving in this direction. Both the cars are moving in opposite direction. And from this statement, B decides to overtake A before C. So that means this will be B and this is car C. So if they move with constant velocity, C will overtake car A before B, because here both are moving, car A and C both are moving in opposite direction. So here relative velocity is VA plus VC. But here car B and car A both are moving in same direction. So here relative velocity is VB minus VA. So that's why car C will overtake car A first compared to B. So that means from this statement, B decides to overtake A before C means, so from this statement we can understand that this is B, car B, and this is car C. Now here, so velocity of car B is 15 and velocity of car C is also 15 meter per second. Now he has given the distance between A and B equal to 1 kilometer, and the distance between A and C is also 1 kilometer. Now, time taken by C to reach or to cross car A is equal to distance by relative velocity is equal to, the distance is 1 kilometer, that means 1000 meters, by relative velocity VA plus VC. VA equal to 10, VC equal to 15, total 25. So is equal to 40 seconds. So within 40 seconds, the car C will overtake car A. So that means here, if B decides to overtake A before C, so it has to accelerate, car has to accelerate, and at the same time, the car B has to cross A in less than 40 seconds time. So worst case, within 40 seconds time. Now let's take acceleration of car B is equal to A. Acceleration of car B is equal to A. Now here relative velocity is VB minus VA, nothing but 15 minus 10 is equal to 5 meter per second. This is the relative velocity. Now I'll use S equal to UT plus half AT square formula. That implies, so here the distance between, the relative distance between B and A equal to is 1 kilometer, so that means 1000 meters is equal to relative velocity between B and A, nothing but 5 meter per second, into time is 40, this is the worst case, plus half into acceleration I have to calculate into t square, nothing but 40 square. So that implies 1000 equal to 4 5s are 20, so 200 plus half into A into 40 square. So that implies 800 is equal to half into A into 40 square. So 40 into 40. Here two zeros will be cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 8 will cancel. So that implies A equal to 1 meter per second square. So here that means if acceleration of B is equal to 1 meter per second square, then B will cross A when C crosses A. So when B cross A, when C cross A, at the same time B also can cross A. So this is the worst case. So if acceleration is greater than or equal to 1 meter per second square, then B can cross A before C. So he is asking the minimum acceleration. So minimum acceleration will be 1 meter per second square. So greater than that value, any value, fine. 2 meter per second square, 10 meter per second square, any value